minus 3 days until we leave for Ireland. Okay, so I am packing today. That's the goal. And I'm gonna film everything, all the clothes that I'm bringing and my camera bag. My camera bag is my carry-on, and then I have a personal item. So the personal item is my purse. Actually, I'm not really gonna bring that much shit because honestly, like, the reason that I bring my purse is so that I can put my makeup bag in it because I don't trust my makeup in my luggage. And then my camera bag is gonna have this camera, which is tiny. It is tiny. I can't really show you because I'm using this camera, so I can't show you what it looks like, but like, it's like this big. So I'm gonna show you how I pack in my packing cubes. I'm one of those people. If somebody tells you that you need packing cubes, just get them. Just get them. You can pull out small little baggings instead of disturbing your entire luggage. It's kind of awesome. So I'm going to show you everything, and I'm going to show it to you right now. Okay, so here we are in the guest bedroom, and you can see that I have my toiletries and things all laid out on this bed. Let's start with face. I like to try to find these travel sets. So these usually will last about a week. In here we have a moisturizer, a cleanser, a hydrating mask, and an exfoliator. But I will bring this Good Genes, and I will bring this tiny size of Luna oil in case I'm feeling a little thirsty. We have this makeup remover, this toner, this It Cosmetics secret sauce, which is really amazing for under the eyes. Let's move to hair. I got travel sizes of some just plain moisturizing shampoo. I normally would just bring something even smaller than this, but it is a week-long trip and I'm sharing the shampoo with my hubs. Then I have a travel size of hairspray, a travel size of dry shampoo, of course. This is a blow dry and heat protectant cream that's really good, and then this is kind of like a blowout smoothing cream. Then I'm just gonna bring a regular old brush, and don't look how dirty my comb is, just a regular comb, some alligator clips, and my straightener. I'm not gonna bring a hair dryer because I've already verified that there's gonna be hair dryers available, and if I get there and they suck, I'll just buy one. No big deal. And these are just vitamins, okay? So what you see are these like regular gummies, like regular gummy vitamins. B-stress complex, this is really good for travel. And then good old fish oil. I don't know, I just like to take fish oil, okay? Whatever. Let's move into body. Deodorant, razor, a little bit of Vaselina, which is really good for the lips. That might actually probably go in my carry-on. A little bit of toothpaste, toothbrush. They sell this toothbrush at Whole Foods. It's freaking amazing. This is made from recycled money. Feels really good in the hand, and then you just pop off this ginormous head. You see how big this is? I've got a travel size poof. I've got some good old face wipes. Then I also picked up a package of these eye gels that are going to be really nice, and then a hydrating mask. I also have a travel size of just some good old body gel, and my favorite hand cream. This is by Soap and Glory. Smells delicious, and this actually comes in 2 scents. This one's like the fruity one. I picked up this rollerball perfume. I bought this at Target. This is by the brand Good Chemistry, and this is a jasmine rose scent. It smells really pretty. What I like to do when I'm going on trips or for special events is I like to get a dedicated scent. One of your strongest memories is tied to scent. I think I've talked about this before, but anytime I smell this, it's gonna take me right back to this trip. So that's a good tip. Got some Q-tips. I don't wear dentures, but no shade to those who do, but I do have these like dental pickers. This is denture soak, but what I use it for is for my teeth, my straightening trays. I like to just plop them into a glass, plop in one of these old tablets, and it cleans my trays. What else? Okay, so this is the bag that I use. I just got this at Target years ago, but it's got like a front zipper pouch that I use for hair ties, smaller type flat items, and then everything else fits in here. And I'll show you how I pack it. Anything that could open up and ruin my life is gonna go in a baggie. Probably gonna be wet when it's time to come home, so I just bring an extra baggie. Bam! Done. Toiletries for a week. Okay, so now we are looking at accessories. I typically don't bring a whole lot of accessories, especially not expensive things, but I do have a couple of items that kind of go with me everywhere just because I love them. So what I'm going to be wearing on the plane, and probably most of the time, is this diamond anchor necklace. This was a gift from Tyler. So there's 2 separate parts so it won't get tangled. So if I'm not wearing it, I'll make sure to just drop it inside here. And then I have this beautiful infinity bracelet that was a gift from my best friend, Callie. Okay, so these are ones that you've definitely seen on camera before. These are like ear jackets where the stud is on the front of the ear and then this little, whatever you want to call it, like laurel type of pattern hangs below the ear. And then I have kind of the same thing going on. These are just like regular gold balls. And then there's like a nice little loop-de-loop behind. I have another tiny little pouch here just to kind of keep them from getting tangled in a necklace. Then the rest of these, this is all costume jewelry, of course. Here's where your snack size baggies come in to save the day. So I just drop them into a little snack size bag, try to press out the air. I know this is thrilling, right? Watching me put necklaces in baggies. One of my million makeup bags, and there's all my accessories all together. Okay, what I'm gonna show real fast is how I use this folder. If you have been considering getting one of these folders, just get it. Okay, just get it, it's awesome. So you lay down your shirt on the little folder, you make sure that you're reasonably lined up evenly, then you pull in one side, you can kind of adjust to make sure that it lays down nicely, lay down the other side. This is not a time saver, by the way. This is not a time saver, this is just to make everything perfect and neat and uniform, okay? Then you lift up that little flapperoo, and then I fold it one more time, one more again, and then ta-da! We have a perfectly folded little shirt, and then they stack up beautifully inside the packing cube. Boom! Let's talk about pajamas. It's nothing but pure sexiness for me, okay? Baseball t-shirts, big baggy t-shirts, sweatpants, leggings, and shorts. Sophie shorts. I mean, so hot. Here we are with the packing cube. You can always fit more in there than you think you can. Bottoms in the bottom. Make sure that they're nice and tucked in. Lay my shirts. I used my little folder to make sure that they were folded uniformly. Then I'm going to zip her up, making sure not to catch my little corners or any of my clothes. It's really making it look like the zipper sucks, but it doesn't. This is user error. And there we are. Perfectly cubed pajamas. I can set it up, I can set it down, I can fling them across the room, and when I unzip, they're all gonna be perfectly folded and nice and flat. Packing cubes are amazing. So now let's talk about the clothes that I'm bringing. So I'm a v-neck t-shirt gal, man. So this is actually not a t-shirt. This is an oatmeal and white kind of striped, very lightweight tank top to go under shirts. And then all of these are just plain v-necks. So we've got a heather gray, black, a mustard yellow, a white, and then this is like a black and white stripe, and this one actually has a little bit of a pocket on it. Then we've got just a plain soft gray sweater, crew neck sweater, just plain. Dark jeans, and everything is like a crop length because that's just the style, you know. So we have dark jeans, black skinny high-waisted jeans, some mustard cropped chino pants, and like some gray cropped chino pants. These are the same pants. I'm that person. I will buy everything, every color that I like, same style. We got this chambray, just a regular button-up top. This is a really cute little tied detail. It's just a black and white check top that could be cute with the high-waisted black jeans. This is just a sweatshirt with little daisies on it. And cat hair. Look at that. Wow. That'll be cute with the yellow pants. This could be cute with the yellow pants if I was feeling spicy. This is just a very lightweight type of a sweater with like a nautical line on it that could go cute with any of the pants. This is just a regular green t-shirt. I love these. I have these in about 85 colors. Very layerable. There's a green and navy blue flannel. I like this one because it's got like a cute little puff detail on the sleeve. This is a boat neck oatmeal striped sweater. So you can see my color palette for clothes is pretty standard, but interchangeable, right? So now we're gonna fold all these and pack them in a packing cube. Hands. I got these at TJ Maxx, by the way. You can get them everywhere. Amazon, Target, Walmart. This was a 3-pack of 3 different sizes. Bam, t-shirts and sweater. So with these kinds of shirts, if you wanted to get really crazy, you could definitely lay down some tissue paper that kind of keeps things in order. But I find the pressure of pressing everything together in the packing cube very snugly keeps everything very tight and neat, and there's no shifting around, so you won't get a lot of wrinkling. Everything is packed. It looks like it's not gonna zip. It's gonna zip. It's actually better to have your bag as full as you can get it because it keeps everything very snugly in place, press down and then it won't bunch and shift in transit. Okay, so the weather in Ireland is something that you need to prepare to layer. So I've got my t-shirts, that's the first layer. Then I've got whatever top that I have here. And then as long as it will go nicely, I will layer this thin quilted puffer vest, and then I have a very lightweight jacket. So you just keep tucking and pulling. Ta-da! Nice. That's all my clothes for a week. All right, one more packing cube. This is for my unmentionables. I'm not gonna get in the particulars. You don't need to see all that stuff, but it's just anything that's an under item is in one last little packing cube. This one actually came from IKEA. This is a hard case bag. I picked it up from like Marshall's or someplace like that. It's not super big, but it's got two sides. So like this side has the little strap, and then there is a dividing compartment with some additional storage here. You just unzip. Let's put all the cubes where they go. A couple other items that don't necessarily need to be checked, but since I have all this extra room, it's really room for me to buy stuff. I can go ahead and pack it in this bag, and then when we get to where we're going, if I need to put it in my carry-on, I can do that. Not carry-on, but on my on-the-go camera bag. Fine words, Sarah, fine words. Travel converter and adapter combo. So I got this on Amazon. So patriotic, right? It's 3 plugs, 4 USB ports. Ireland is Europe and Northern Ireland is UK, but they have the same kind of plugs. It's this kind of crazy wacky plug. I plug it into here, I plug this piece into this piece, and then this can go into the walls. When you're traveling abroad, you have to kind of pay attention to the outlets are not the same everywhere, and also the power is not the same everywhere either. This will adapt my items, like my straightener and stuff, so that I can use it in the outlets, but my straightener is kind of like a high-powered device, so I need a converter because otherwise I'm gonna fry my flat iron, and I don't want that. This is a first aid kit. A lot of people don't think about that when you're traveling abroad. I mean, everything you need is going to be at a drugstore. We're not going to like the jungle. Through my experience, it's just so much nicer to already have it. And then hopefully you never even need to open or look at this bag. But when you need stuff, the worst is like trying to find it while you're kind of panicking or not feeling good. Stuff to settle an upset stomach or antacids, all kinds of band-aids, you know, first aid stuff. So the rest of it is my camera bag and my carry-on bag, and I'll show you all that stuff too. So let's talk about carry-on. I think originally I was gonna bring my camera bag and then another purse, like a pretty oversized purse like this. As I sat my things out, I think I can get everything just in my camera bag. Once we get where we're going, my makeup is going to be in the hotel room, and I'm only going to be carrying just like my camera and wallet. So any little things that I pick up, souvenirs, things like that, I can just carry them on my back so I don't have to carry them in my hand. This is my camera bag. This is a low pro something bag, but what I like about it the most is that you can't get into it from behind. So I can't get like pickpocketed, snatched, right? So you move the straps out of the way. This is really nice and squishy padding, but it opens up like this. So I've already taken out the dividers. See these little guys here? I just pulled those out. They just Velcro in and you can arrange them any old way you want. But I'm gonna leave it like pretty much open because my camera's so little. I'm just gonna put it in here. This is a nice padded, protected pocket. So my little camera will go in here. This is just like a microfiber cleaning cloth. This little felt bag, I picked this up at IKEA. Battery charger, spare battery, the cable for the battery charger. This is an SD card holder, another power adapter. So this will screw into the bottom of my camera, and then I can just hold it like this instead of like trying to hold it like this and like maybe covering up microphones. I have my wallet. Inside here is my credit cards and money. I hold on to both of our passports just because I'm a control freak. This is my makeup brushes like I showed you. This is my makeup that I showed you. Noise canceling headphones with dongle so I can use it with my iPhone, or I can just plug it in and watch movies with these. Sunglasses. This is a selfie light. This came from GLAMMY. Not super duper bright, but it does step up 3 times. So this is going to be really good to kind of like fumble around in my bag in the dark without having to turn on lights and things. So this is really really awesome. Maybe even take some selfies. We have a sleeping mask. Got some socks to keep my feet warm. These are little wisps, disposable toothbrushes, some more toothpickers, my Vaseline for lips, hand lotion because my hands and feet get so dry in airplanes. So I've got some hand lotion, a little bit more of this, and then my straightening trays. All of that stuff will go in this baggie together because these aren't liquids, but I'll probably take them out anyway, so it's nice to have them together because this will be a carry-on, so they might have to be scanned separately. You never know when you're gonna need to write down some notes and things. I will also have a pen. I need to get that out of my other bag. Sometimes if I can't sleep, reading will help me for sure. We got this blanket scarf. It's a big, huge scarf. I get so cold on airplanes. Oh my gosh. So this will serve as a blanket, and I can also ball it up as a pillow. I will also have a travel pillow. I need to dig it out of my car. Zip it up. Then I can take my scarf, tuck it right here in this top, and that's it. There is one thing that I forgot in my luggage. I can't believe I almost forgot it. To put on my makeup, I need to be able to see my face. So I have my mirror. So I'm gonna put the mirror in, mirror side facing the soft stuff underneath. Charging cable and the stand can just be loose in here because they're fine. That's that. Also, I weighed my bag and it weighed 30 pounds. What? Yeah, but that's that. I'm not really taking that much stuff. And I have plenty of room to bring things back, so yay for me. Leggings, white t-shirt, and some sneakers. That's that. And this is pretty much like my full-time sneaker for the trip. And if I get there and it's just like total rainstorm the whole time, I'll just probably buy some waterproof shoes, like some short wellies or something like that. Thanks so much for hanging out and for watching this video. I hope my maniacal packing organization is helpful to you. Let me know in the comments down below if you love packing cubes as much as I do. By the time you're watching this, I'm in Ireland right now. So if you are following me on Instagram and Snapchat, you are following me along and you are seeing all my adventures. Make sure that you go check me out there. Follow me for all my shenanigans on my Insta stories and my Snap. So when I get home, it's gonna take a while for me to go through the footage and put together a nice vlog for you. So in the meantime, I do have something ready, pre-filmed. It's a pretty fun video. I think you're really gonna like it. I will see you in the next video. Bye! Wow, I need to finish this coffee. I can't keep talking. I'm real classy. This isn't gonna work, is it? Whatever, I'll redo it. It's like Jenga, guys, Jenga. Where's the off button? I don't know how to work this camera! Maybe I should have put you on a sturdier surface. Bye.